And speaking of things that are outrageous, let me tell you about China's new technology that promises to make fighter jets invisible, silent, and more deadly. You heard that right. Chinese scientists have reportedly created new stealth technology that can take aircraft off the enemy radar. And if this is true, this could be the future of air warfare. Now, here's what we know about the secret new Chinese technology. A team of scientists and engineers from Western China say they have created a new generation plasma stealth device. Now, unlike its predecessors, which generate a cloud of plasma draped over a plane, the new tech can be tailored to fit a sensitive section of military aircraft, meaning parts of aircraft like the radar dome, the cockpit, or the other spots most vulnerable to an enemy's radar detection. They are calling it a closed electron beam plasma stealth device. And this new plasma stealth device focuses on protecting key areas of an aircraft. Instead of the entire aircraft, it can be activated in an instant to fool enemy radar operators. Now you must be wondering, how exactly does this new device work? Well, simply put, the goal is to create a layer of plasma around the aircraft, one that can absorb or deflect radar waves. And this makes the aircraft less visible to radar detection. According to reports, in fact, two types of plasma stealth devices have already been put to the test. One coats the aircraft's radar-prone areas with a radioactive isotope emitting rays to ionize the air and create a dense plasma layer that can scatter radar signals. The other uses high-frequency, high-voltage electricity to activate and ionize the gas medium outside the aircraft, thereby creating a plasma region. Now, if this sounds complicated to you, you are not alone. Scientists have been studying the concept of plasma stealth technology for decades, but have struggled to find a workable way of using this technology on their aircraft. The technology can be traced back to the Cold War era. Both the US and the Soviet Union had poured their resources into the research and development of plasma stealth technology. However, due to technological constraints, it never progressed beyond the lab phase. So while in traditional stealth aircraft such as the B-2 Spirit, radar absorbent materials are used and special shaping is done, the plasma stealth tech works differently. It basically uses a cloud of ionized gas. So while the West is still looking for breakthroughs, China, it seems, has succeeded. It has created an invisible shield for its aircraft against high-power microwave weapons. You know what that means? Future confrontations between major military powers would give China an edge. And with this new technology, even a conventional fighter jet, once not designed for stealth, can significantly reduce the radar signature. And this is why this new technology is potentially game-changing in aerial combat. And what's more, Chinese fighter jets could soon have this technology, which is not surprising considering China's rapidly growing demand for superior military capabilities. And what's more, Chinese scientists have reportedly even extended the use of this technology in space by using an alkali metal jet plasma generator to form a plasma cloud, achieving stealth for weapon platforms like intercontinental missiles or spy satellites. But it's not a perfect system yet. Apparently, the existing plasma stealth technology has some drawbacks. When exposed to an open environment, the plasma is difficult to shape precisely, and at the same time maintain a consistently high density. Further, gaps in the plasma can allow electromagnetic waves to reflect back, revealing the aircraft's position, and that is literally the opposite of what you want in stealth technology. And that has not deterred the Chinese. Apparently, the Chinese Airforce is now trying to build on existing achievements. They are trying to develop a closed plasma stealth technology. Researchers anticipate real-life implementation of this technology soon. But India is not far behind. India's counter-stealth capabilities include quantum radar, integrated mobile camouflage systems, radar-absorbing paint, counter-UAS systems, several anti-stealth radars, several others are also in the works. Indian researchers also have developed a new technology that can make military equipment invisible to radars. They have been able to develop a material that can make stealth vehicles less visible. This new material, according to reports, can absorb a wide range of radar frequencies or signals. The team of researchers from the Indian Institute of Technology have developed this technology. They say it can be used to cover windows and glass panels of the stealth vehicles as well as covert establishments. It will help make them evade radar detection, thereby making them more secure. The proposed design uses optically transparent indium tin oxide called ITO to coat polyethylene terephthalate sheet. It is a common thermoplastic that provides high dimensional stability, excellent mechanical strength, and good resistance. In fact, tests done last year showed that this technology can absorb over 90% of radar waves in a wide range of frequencies. And not just that, India is also working on cutting-edge anti-stealth radars. They are the next frontiers in defense, in fact. What does anti-stealth radar do? They are basically designed to detect and track stealth aircraft. And they do this without emitting any signal of its own. They are extremely covert and very effective. And that's not all. India's Defense Laboratory of Defense Research and Development, the DRDO, has also developed radar-absorbing paint. It will help aircraft reduce their radar signature, and this will give them a greater degree of stealth. We are now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the updates on the move.